Welcome to the future of solar manufacturing. Here inside our mega factory, we're utilizing the latest in robotic technology to produce the most efficient panels on Earth.
We need the glass sheets moved to Bay 4, over.
Roger, moving now.
The efficiency curve spiked during the last flash.
I saw that. The microcrack resistance is stable.
Good, let's proceed to the next sequence.
Efficiency is holding at 22%.
Amperage peak is slightly high, but voltage remains stable.
Okay, bring it up slowly. Watch the corner on the left.
Thank you for watching. We invite you to learn more about renewable energy and how we're making a difference.